Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to record phone calls on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. If you're using Android phone, then you should see the screen recorder feature right here. This is a built-in feature. So all you have to do is tap this one when someone calls you and you want to answer and record the call. However, if you can see that built-in screen record or voice recorder here on your phone, then you can go to Google web browser or Play Store and then search for screen recorder. There are tons of applications right here that you can use in order for you to record a call, or you can also search for voice recorder if you want to record phone calls. So basically, all you have to do once you found it is you just have to simply tap on install and then it will be installed to your phone right away. So when someone call you, all you have to do is to tap this application or this built-in feature, and this is how you basically record phone calls on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.